Hi dear students, today we'll discuss about IoT final practice activity 1. So we have a cloud, internet cloud, we have a IoT Cloud Server, DNS server, a DC switch, we have a switch S1, then we have a router, and we added a lamp controller. This is the device which is used to control the lamp. Okay, so light. So what is the question? We'll go to the question. This will be the topology which I give to you in the exam, maybe like practice exams. Okay. Add potentiometer light LCD MCU. Okay, so I will add a potentiometer, means variable resistance. Okay, so potentiometer. Okay, then lamp or light, then LCD, yes, then MCU microcontroller. Okay, again the name of device. Okay, so here potentiometer, then this is light, this is LCD, so MCU. Now network device to add a switch. Already I added the switch as one. Now I add an end device. So here switch I already added. Now we need to add an end device. So I put a PC. Make this PC. Okay. Now how do we connect all these devices? Okay. So here potentiometer LCD to MCU. Okay. Potentiometer LCD to MCU. So potentiometer LCD connect to MCU. So port numbers I can choose. Okay. So I'm going to choose the IoT custom cable. This one D0 to say I think go for D3. This one A0 to A0. Then MCU to light control using 3 digital connection. MCU light controller. Okay. This MCU, this lamp controller, light controller. This I'll keep maybe. Okay. We have 3 connections there. So I'll go for IoT custom cable D0 to D0. There are 3 connections I told, right? 3 lines. So D0, D1, D2. So D1 to D1, D2 to D2. Okay, that is done. After that, LC to switch 1. Okay, LC to switch 1. LC to switch 1. See, when you are connecting any device to switch has only fast Ethernet cable. So what should I do? I want to add a fast Ethernet port to this lamp controller. How do I add? Open this, go to physical, switch off, then CFE, fast Ethernet port, drag and drop in this big space, empty space, then switch on. You will get fast Ethernet port now. Okay, now take the fast Ethernet straight through cable, fast Ethernet to switch any port. I'm putting S1. Okay, like this. After that, LC to switch 1, router to switch 1. Already added router to switch 1. Allow light to switch DC. So here router to switch 1 I already added. Okay, you can add later. No, I don't need to add. Okay, then light to switch DC. So that also again switch has fast Ethernet port, though I want to check whether light has fast Ethernet port or not. See, not there. So what should I do? Go to advanced, go to IO config, make this as CFE, fast Ethernet port. Close. Now take fast Ethernet straight through cable, fast Ethernet 0, go to switch, fast Ethernet. Okay, like this. Now after that, what I need to do is connections are done. Now configure devices, enable DHCP on IoT Cloud Server on the server pool, starting IP 200.165.200.9.2, subnet mask, everything. So go to the IoT Cloud Server, go to desktop, check IP, everything is given. Services, go to DHCP, already mentioned. Okay, I have already given the default gateway, DNS server, service on, start IP, everything I given already. Okay. Now what I will do, see, okay, this mentions starting IP 209.2. Okay, that I will change. Okay, I'll go here, starting IP they mentioned 209.2. Actually, okay, let's see 9.2. Save. After that, activate IoT service on IoT Cloud Server. Create an account on Cloud Server. My ID final pass. Okay, so here I go to the IoT service. Go to IoT service. Turn on. Then what about the IP? I have to copy the IP first. Then copy. Then go for IoT Monitor. What username password? They told my ID, my final pass. Okay, my ID final pass. Go here. So go to IoT Monitor. Change this IP. Get IP as the IP address of the IoT server. Then log in. The username password is Mafi Mojud. Go to sign up. What was the username password? Again, my ID final pass. Okay, so my ID. I'll just put 1234 is my ID. Password is final pass. Okay, create. Now IoT server configured. Now what else is enable DHCP client on light, LC and any device. Okay, this is a light here. Go here, enable DHCP, config, make it DHCP. You will get an IP from the server. Done. Now for lamp controller, light controller, again enable DHCP. You will get IP from the router where I configure DHCP. Then we have end device. Okay, first that all should be connected now. I forgot, I think so I have to connect this one to switch any port. Now go here, go to computer. In the computer, go to desktop, IP configuration, Mafi static, DHCP. You will get a 10.10.10 IP class. Done. After that, what I need to do is ensure while IP done. Now register the lamp controller and light to IoT Cloud Server. So how do I register this? Go here. First one, lamp controller. Go to remote server. The IP address of server. This one. Now I know my username is 1234. Password is, what is the password I give for the IoT service? Final pass. See, final pass. So the one which I did in the given in the which one, IoT service no server. So final pass, final pass. Okay, final pass. Okay, connect. So wait, let me see what is the problem. I think the password is correct. Let me check the password. Okay, why is that not connected? Let me check. Go to IoT service. Let me check what was the username and password. Let me check. Yes, final pass. I give capital letter. Okay, see, I give capital letter. So you should give the same username and password. Okay. So go here. It should be capital final pass. After that, once you connected, no, if it is done, means you will get a refresh button here. See, you will get refresh now. Okay. Same thing. Connect the light also. So go here. Put the IP address of the IoT server. But mixer where from where get this address, you have to choose IoT server, either none, home gateway or remote server. Actually we have a remote server here, that is IoT server. So what is the IP of that server? IP is actually here. You can see that IP will be, I'll show you here, then you will go inside. Okay, IP is 209.165.209.2. okay, that's IP you want to mention in the IoT server, the remote server. Then username I already told you, username is 1234. Password is what was that? My pass. What was that? Final pass. Okay, I give you capital letter. No problem. You can give the small letter. No problem. But whatever you are giving, the server same should give. Okay, you should give it. Okay. Final pass. Connect. Refresh. Done. Go to the IoT server again. Now I want to check whether the device is connected or not. I have to monitor. Then open the IoT monitor. This is the interface through which we can check the IoT devices connected. Now with the IP address of IoT server. Then this is username 1234. Password is final pass, FINALPAS, this capital letter. Password login. Now you can see two devices connected. Okay. Now what I want to do is let's see write the Python code in MCU. So assign the input modules. Okay, import the modules, assign input output pin number, read the input pin, check the input reading. If the reading is less than 300, display turn off light and set the first pin to high for LC. Reading less than 800, display the dim light message in the LCD. Set the second pin to high for LC. Else display bright light and set third pin to high for LC. Okay. So before that, we should know where you want to write this code. MCU, right? So go to MCU. In the MCU, what I will do, go to programming. There is new button. In that, I will choose Blink Python. Okay, remember Blink Python. So predefined code will be there. Here you want to write the coding. Okay. So what are the input device? So here potentiometer is the only input device. Okay. LCD will be the output device, and this three pins are output device. Lamp control is the one which controls the lamp. Okay, so it's output device. Okay, so D0, 1, 2 pins output, D3 also output, A0 is input. Okay, so I will write the program. Before that, I will show you the program I already done. So I will copy paste the program. So to avoid the time waste. Okay, so I'll explain the program later. So just I will first put the code here. I'll tell you what I'm writing. Okay, let's copy paste the code. Control C. Explain the code once it is done. Okay, go here. I'll copy paste. Place the code here. Okay, now see here. First to a header file. No, importing header file. GPIO means general purpose input output. So if you don't have that header file, what happened? No, we cannot call this analog read, digital write, all those things. Okay, reading and writing functions. Okay, from time import means from that time package we are importing star. So here star means what I'm importing, sleep, delay and all. Okay, the definition like into main function. No, inside the definition of main function, I want to make sure I declare all the input output pins. So 0, 1, 2, I told you the pins connected to a lamp controller are output. A0 is input. See, this is the device potentiometer. When I move the potentiometer, the lights will be turned on. Okay, and display will come here. So this is the input device. It's connected to A0, and LCD is connected to pin 3, also output. Now, while true, Mr. Why you need while true? Because I don't want to run the program only one time. I want to run this number of times until I press exit or come out. Okay, so that's while true, continuous loop. Okay, continuous true, always true. Then A, put a variable A equal to analog read of A0, because I am going to read the value of a potentiometer. It is connected to A0 and it is analog device, so I am reading the value from the potentiometer as analog. That's my analog read. Okay, if you want to see the values of this device, go to the device. You want to see which function you should use, all those things. No, go to the device and see the specification, and you can see it's somewhere mentioned analog. See, analog value. That means I have to use analog read. Messages will be between 0 to 5. Many messages will come. Okay, many values will come. So here I am going to make this analog read. Then digital write of 0, low, 1, low, 2, low. So here the lamp controller has already 3 pins. Okay, see, when I open lamp controller, go to specification. Okay, here actually specification will get. Okay, so here all the pins are actually high, 1, 0, 2, 3. So what I need to do, initially I have to make all the pins 0. That's why I make all the 3 pins of digital, which one, lamp control as 0, 1, 2. I need both all low. Okay, now I'm printing the value of A. Okay, now what is the code I have is, this is the input device, this is output device, this is also output device. Okay, lamp control is output device. So here what is the function, what is the purpose of this coding? Okay, if reading less than 300, and if the potentiometer gives value less than 300, display turn off light message in the LCD and set the first pin of high LCD light controller for high. If reading is less than 800, display the message dim the light in LCD and the second pin to be high for LC. Else, if any value in between or above means it will be like bright the light. About 800 means bright light, and set the third pin to high for LC. Now see what happens. I will go to show you the code again. So here there is the code MCU. See, if A less than 300, A means the value from the potentiometer, less than 300, colon. So once you write if statement, you have to put colon, then you will get cursor around here. So type the code in that position only. Custom write of 3, turn off light. Whenever you are going to write some message on the LCD, you should use custom write. Third, because I am going to use a third pin. It's connected to third pin of MCU. Then double quotes message. Then digital write of 0, so 0 will be high, remaining 1 and 2 will be low. Like that. Else if it is less than. So the C, else if in C, and here it is elif. L, if A less than 800 means again colon is there. So L will come same position of if. Okay, colon custom write of 3 comma dim light. So the message will be dim light, and the first pin 0 1 pin will be high for LC. Else if it is above that means the custom write. So this LCD will get a message like a bright light, and the third pin any 0 1 2 of lamp counter will be high. Okay, this is what I write. Same time I want to write some extra things like they give one more thing. From end device log into IoT Cloud Server. Okay, if LC is off, turn off the light. LC is dim, dim the light. LC is bright, turn on the light. Okay, they have given some conditions. Okay, you have to add these conditions in the IoT Cloud Server. So I'll go to the Cloud Server, go to conditions. So I'll add here. What was the condition? LC is off, turn off light. Okay, so I'll just copy this one. LC is off. LC, what is LC? LC here. Okay, LC off. So here if light, so what happened? The devices. Okay, let me check the devices. Okay, lamp control is there. No remote control API. What happened? It is disconnected. Let me check the lamp controller whether it is connected or not. Okay, let me check. Wait. Config. It is connected as what happened then? Remote server is connected. Then it is okay. Let me refresh this one. Okay, let me think I have to run this. Okay, coding I done, then run this, then here only run this one first. Let me run this now. Blinking. See, I didn't turn on the potentiometer, so because of that the value of potentiometer is now 0. So what I will do, I will turn the potentiometer or rotate the potentiometer by pressing Alt key. When I rotate like this, see, dim light, bright light come. Now lamp control will be showing different output. Okay, see 0 0 1 0 2. This means third pin is okay. See, already the coding is given for lamp control. Do not want to do anything with the lamp control. Just run this. Okay. Now after that, when I go to Cloud Server, now the status is high. Okay, status is working. So what I will do, I'll go to the conditions. I'll add the condition now. Now see, if LC status is off, then light status is off. I think. Oh, turn off the light. Okay, then LC dim means dim the light. So here, put this condition. Okay. Now LC status is dim. The lamp controller set light is dim. Then light also will be dim. Okay. Now third one, LC is bright. LC status is bright. Then see, if LC status, this is the name only. Conditions actually here. Okay, if and condition. If then if lamp controller status is bright, then light status will be on. Click this. Okay. Now after doing all these things, what I will do, I'll go and okay, it's running, right? So I will run this. It's running. Okay, now I will stop this and run again. So what's that written here? So after this, now vary the intensity of potentiometer. Okay, now I'll go here, run this program. See, I will press this back. Okay, see, when I am turning off the light, when I potentiometer, when I rotate it left side, see, it is turn off light, it is turned off. When I rotate the potentiometer a little bit, see, it is now dim. Now the light also dim. See, what a magic. Now this is controlled by the MCU and the lamp control. Okay, so this is the one actually controlling through this MCU. Now when I rotate the potentiometer more, see, bright light message comes here, and the third pin, here we have 3 pins, right? 0 1 2. The third pin is now on. That's why it is light is showing bright light. Okay, lamp is showing bright light. Understood what I'm doing? This is for the activity 4, the first practice activity. I hope you all understood. You can practice on next class. Okay, bye. See you, dears.